Well, good morning. It is Tuesday, June 28th. Is that right? 28th, I believe. I'll have to check the calendar. But it is 3 weeks since my surgery. And I get to go to the pool today and walk for 20 minutes. Twice a week, 20 minutes. So yeah, I'm very excited. So I am doing what I do every morning. I've got my Slow Brew Botanicals face mask on. God, I mean, y'all, I enjoy this mask so much. I would have never thought a clay mask would be so nourishing and non-drying. And that's one of the things. My daughter is in love with these too. So we've already placed several orders because these are just amazing. So I'll leave the information down below if you are interested. I think there's a coupon code as well too. But they're fresh made and they're just so good for your skin and it's enjoyable. And when I take it off with a warm wash rag, oh my God, it feels so good and so hydrated. So, okay. I've got a new swimsuit to show you that I bought because a company called Seekway sent me some water shoes to try out. So I'm going to try them out at the pool and you'll see more about that. And I picked out a color and that I really wanted, that I liked. And then I realized, well, I didn't have a swimsuit to go with it. So I ordered a new swimsuit to go with it to try for the pool as well too. So, all right, I'm going to go wash this off and get ready, and I'll check in with you at the pool so you can see where I'm going to go walk in the pool. All right, so I am here in the pool. I'm going to turn you around so you can see my pool. It goes from 3 feet 6 inches to 4 feet 6 inches down there. It's 4 lanes. So lots of nice windows. All right, so I'm going to show you as far as water walking. Let me show you my shoes in the water. So we'll turn you back. Oops. All right, I had my locker key on there. All right, so let's see if I can do this. So if I can balance and show you. Okay, we're supposed to do heel to toe exaggerated steps. Whoops, my balance is not as good yet. So yeah, so this is me water walking in my new water shoes. I'll tell you more about them in a minute, but they are a must. The blue stripe is a little slippery, so I'm going to stay off of it. All right, so I'm going to put my phone down so I don't drop it in the water, and I'll catch up with you in just a bit. All right, so I have finished my first walk in the pool. That was good. It felt good to get out there. It really did. I forgot to mention I have these are waterproof earbuds, I guess what they're called, and I can hook them to my phone, to my Spotify, and play music. And so yeah, so I'm done, so these can come out. So all right, I want to show you a company called Seekway. Reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try a pair of their water shoes. And of course I said, yes, I will be getting to walk in the water and I need some new water shoes. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to turn you around. And so here they are. And they're so comfortable, and I'm going to take them off. Let's see if I can. I'll use it with my good leg here, or yeah. So they just slip off, and they look like little feet on the bottom. Yeah, and then the holes drain. So these are a must for walking in the water. These I got in a size 37. I wear a 6.5 typically, a 6 in a sandal, but these are very comfortable and I really like them. Though, thank you Seekway for sending these to me. I appreciate it so very much. So let me turn you back around here. So if you need to go walk in the water, get you a pair of good water shoes. Now, the thing I did find out, and because it's a 4-lane and there's a blue stripe in the middle of each lane, for some reason the stripe was a little bit slippery, so I had to walk on just the outside of it. But that kind of held me. I got a little bit closer to the edge of the pool because I walked in the outside lane. So there is that. So I'm very appreciative to the company Seekway for sending those to me, and they are in the in Amazon. So I can get around here. I'm going to take the other shoe. Of course, that hurts getting the shoe, bending the leg up there. All right, so shoe is off, and of course, you know me. I had to get a swimsuit that matched my shoes. There's no there's no full mirror here. So I'm just going to show you, turn you around here. So here's my swimsuit, and I'll kind of come over here. I don't want to slip and get close. You can see the print of yeah, and I chose, this isn't a swimsuit I got from Amazon too. You can see here, move this out of the way if I can zoom in a little bit. These are, I only have one stera strip. Last week they took the stitches out, so 1, 2, and 3, and they put stera strips. This is the only one that's left on there. So yeah, so this is the print. This beautiful, it's by Highlore. Amazon as well too. I'll put a link down below for it. But yeah, see how it matches my swimsuit? I had to do that. I'm probably going to get some laughs over that one, but yeah, so all right, I am going to change, and Patrick is here at the gym with me, so he's out there working out. So I'm going to change and put my brace back on, and then go and try to do a little bit of light upper body work, standing up, that I can do while I'm in my brace. So I'll see you in a minute maybe. Okay, if not, I'll see you later. Okay, I forgot to show you something. They come in this little plastic bag, which is great for bringing to the gym because they're going to be wet when you put them in your bag. So let me try. There's my brace, but here's the company, and they fit in here. It has a Ziploc closure. Now what it does have is right here in the corner, if you can see that it's a little hole, but I put tape on both sides of it as well too, so it doesn't leak. But that'll wait till I get home, and then I'll rinse them out and then put them back, you know, then let them air dry outside. So all right, I'm gonna end this right now. So yeah, all right, so I remember what I tell you, ladies. I tell you every single day, get up and show up, because you're worth it. So until I see you in my next video, have a very safe and a very blessed day.